What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my kitchen. Let's make chicken and vegetables one pot meal in Sister J's kitchen.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine at the truth.
Sister J.
So here I have the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. I already removed the skin off. I leave a little fat on because it's gonna fry off anyway. So I'm using vinegar and lemon to wash the chicken. Sometimes I use lime. It all depends on what I have at the time. So now I'm using lemon and vinegar. So I have my chicken cut up in small pieces here. I'm just gonna wash them off and then start the seasoning process. Now I'm adding my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, followed by some onion powder seasoning and some garlic powder and some cayenne pepper along with some paprika. Now I'm adding some olive oil and I'm gonna just massage this chicken. After seasoning up this chicken, I'm gonna put it away in a container in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow I will do my chicken and vegetables one pot meal. So here I'm putting it in the container. So I'm gonna cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours.
Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, cook the best.
So here I have the pot on the fire with the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the ginger and the garlic. After frying the chicken, I'm gonna remove the chicken from the pot and drain off some of the excess oil out the pot before adding the vegetables. Okay, so here I'm adding the chicken. I put this amount of oil because I want the chicken to fry well done, because I'm using the chicken thigh. This is not chicken breast that is easy to cook. The thigh take a little longer to cook. So I'm gonna fry this up nicely and then remove from the pot and take off some of the oil. I'm cutting up my celery over here. Yes, I already washed them. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and turn the chicken on the other side. And guys, it smells so good. I didn't reach nowhere yet. So if you're here for the first time and you are not yet connected with me, where you wait pan, just go ahead, man, do. Subscribe, put that post notification bell. So guys, here I have broccoli, bell pepper, carrots, the celery, onion, scallion and thyme, and I also have mushrooms. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the chicken from the pot and take off some of the oil. Now I'm adding the scallion and the thyme. As you can see, too much oil not in the pot now. Now I'm gonna add the onion and the celery. And guys, the celery is gonna generate some liquid for me. Yes. If you know about celery, you know it contains a lot of water. So now I'm adding the carrots. Just sauteing this down nicely. So I'm just gonna let this saute down a little, and then I add the mushrooms. So here I have the mushrooms, and I'm just gonna mix this in and stir it out. Yes, guys, one pot chicken and vegetables meal. I'm sauteing this down a little, then I'm gonna add the chicken to it. So now I'm adding the chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in, and then I add the broccoli. Yes, guys, and I'm telling you, this smells so good. So here I'm adding the broccoli to the pot. My delicious one-pot meal. After adding the broccoli, I'm gonna add some complete seasoning, followed by some black pepper. So now I'm gonna add some soy sauce to this. After adding the soy sauce, I will be adding the assorted bell pepper. As you notice, I didn't add any salt because I know the soy sauce is salty. So there will be no salt added to the spot. Now I'm adding the bell pepper, colorful and pretty. One pot meal, chicken and vegetables one pot meal. Done in Sister J's kitchen, my way, my version, my style. Look at this, guys, delicious and tasty. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say live good, walk good, pray. Bless up yourself. One love. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Cuisine and Lifestyle, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Thanks for watching. One love. Bless up yourself.